guys, how you doing? This is Brother Bill. Close out this video. Hope everybody's well. Let me get you flipped around here. There you go. Beautiful. Did a great job getting this garden tilled up. So it's ready to roll. Again, that's 9,500 square feet behind the house here. And way back there, I've got another little plot. And we're going to grow some watermelons again there this year. Did real good last year. So we'll try again, see how that works for us. But I've also got a spot across the field. I won't show you that, but it's not very big. It's probably 30 feet by 100 feet. And I'm just going to put some okra out there and see how that works out for us. Last year it was a complete failure because I couldn't get over there to tend to it. So I'm not going to put too much over there. But okra, as long as I can get it up, I can leave it alone and just take care of that. Because okra actually sold pretty good last year. Of course, we're not selling it to make money. It's just, it seems like you can't give it away, but if you put a dollar amount on it, something cheap, it seems like people want it. It's very strange. I don't understand that. But anyway, can't give it away, but if you sell it, they want it. I don't know. So anyway, hope everybody's well, and I am excited to get this thing going. I will not put anything into the ground until probably about Good Friday, something like that. We'll wait till the 1st of April. But we are ready to row, and that'll give me a chance to get my rows marked off and measured out and that kind of thing, and plan this garden out. And I may do a video on that and how I do that. But y'all take care out there. We'll see you on this next video.